Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Amazon Fire TV Remote app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to use the Amazon Fire TV app, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your App Store or Play Store if you are using an Android. Then on the search bar type in Amazon Fire TV Remote or Amazon Fire TV. Then look for an app icon like this on the search list, then simply tap on it. Then tap on install if you are using the Android, or tap on get if you are using an iPhone. Then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. And once you have downloaded the app, simply tap on open to open it. Now here what you need to do is connect to your Fire TV. Simply make sure your phone and your Fire TV are on the same Wi-Fi. Then simply open the app and then select your Fire TV device. Then enter the 4-digit code shown on the TV, and once done you are now connected to your Fire TV. Then the next step is use the on-screen remote. The app works just like a real remote. Swipe or tap to navigate the up, down, left, right button, and then simply tap on the center button to select, then back button to back, and then home button to home, and then play or pause button, and then volume for some TV modes. And you can also use your phone keyword, which is helpful with typing Wi-Fi password, search, login, and your phone keyword opens automatically. Type faster instead of using on-screen letters. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.